Hi, friends. It's Mrs. Golding. I am excited to be back with you. And I am doing problem number, let's see, it's in your math packet, page 6, problem number 3 at the bottom of your packet. So you may not have heard of PTA. It stands for Parent Teacher Association. Sometimes they say PTO, which is Parent Teacher Organization. Sometimes they call them parent boosters. It's just parents working together for the students in the school. So this PTA is making pom-poms. And so here are, look, here are pom-poms. These are orange, of course, for Sarah Scott. Here's our emblem. And they're going to make some. So it's like some plastic stuff and some little handles, right? So it says the supplies cost $4. So if the supplies cost $4, right, that's what they have to, when they go to wherever they're going to buy their stuff, that's how much they have to pay. Then they're going to sell the pom-poms to students, maybe at lunch or something, for $1 each, right? So just one pom-pom costs $1. So where it says let X equal or represent the number of pom-poms sold, let Y represent the profit. So see this word profit, right? Profit. That means how much money you make after your costs are figured in. So if my costs are $4, it's how much money is left over after I have paid my costs, how much money I make. And then it says graph the equation y equals x minus 4 to show the relationship between x and y. Once we get to this point, let X, blah, da, da, to this point, it starts to sound like something you want to turn off. Your brain's like, I'm done, right? So I'm going to show you how easy this is to think about. So let's look at it this way. Here is a table, right? A table of X values, a table of Y values. I made these up. I just came up with numbers, right? But they're related to our question. And so our question was, we're going to sell some pom-poms, right? And that's in my problem. It says X is the number of pom-poms I sell. Let X equal the number of pom-poms I sell. And Y is my profit. So Y is how much money I make. This is how much money I make. This is how many pom-poms I sold. I totally made this up, right? Just pulled these numbers out of nowhere. This is the equation that they give us to use to figure out how much money I make. Okay, so let's try something. If I sell one pom-pom, right? No, let's start with 0. Let's just say I sell no pom-poms. That's right here. Y, let's try the finger better. Y is equal to 0 minus 4. So I have to take away my cost. I'm making no money on this deal. As a matter of fact, I'm $4 in the hole, right? So if I sell one pom-pom, just one, am I out of the hole yet? 1, take away 4, that was my cost. I'm still $3 in the hole, meaning I haven't made any money yet. I still spent more to buy the supplies. So let's keep going. Y equals 2 minus 4. I'm getting further and further out of the hole, right? But at what point am I going to be out of the hole? Not yet. 3 minus 4, okay, negative 1, right here. Y equals 4 minus 4, right? When I take that and I get it, here I am. This is where you say you break even, right? So you made back enough money to pay for your costs. Well, now we're going to start making money. Now I jump up here. Notice I go whoop and I fast forward it. I said, okay, now I'm gonna sell 12 of these suckers, right? Y equals 12 minus 4. That means I made $8 now. I'm rolling in it, right? If I sell 16 of these puppies, take away that $4 that I spent, I'm going to make $12. 20, right? Is 20 minus 4 is 16, right? $16. Now there's probably a threshold where I need to probably go buy some more supplies. I don't know what that is. Stay tuned for another video.